LAT exam. Total marks 05. Topic number 5. Maths. Introduction. Short Q&A. Part 1. Part A. Introduction. LAT Maths. Mathematics is the abstract science of numbers, quantity, and space, either as abstract concepts, pure mathematics, or as applied to other disciplines such as physics and engineering, applied mathematics. It encompasses various fields including arithmetic, algebra, geometry, and calculus, and is fundamental for understanding patterns, structures, and change. Mathematics is the science of structure, order, and relation that has evolved from elemental practices of counting, measuring, and describing the shapes of objects. It deals with logical reasoning and quantitative calculation, and its development has involved an increasing degree of idealization and abstraction of its subject matter. Mathematics is all around us, in everything we do, and is the building block for everything in our daily lives, including mobile devices, computers, software, architecture, art, money, engineering, and even sports. Mathematics is an area of knowledge that includes the topics of numbers, formulas and related structures, shapes and the spaces in which they are contained, and quantities and their changes. Learning mathematics will help students to grow their problem-solving and logical reasoning skills.